Well, welcome back everybody. So today I'm going to be working on a small little project, something I've been putting off for a little bit, but it definitely needs to be addressed. It's one of those things where it's a cosmetic little thing that it's been kind of driving me nuts every time I take a picture or I see the car when I'm like parked somewhere, and I'm like, I gotta get this thing together because it just looks like garbage. So if you notice on the 69 Vette in some of the pictures, it just has the front bumper bar that goes across the front. It's missing all the small chrome pieces that go underneath, and all three grills are not in the car at all. It just has the turn signal lights are in there right now, but that's it. So I'm like, I gotta get this stuff on there because it looks like these giant like buck teeth just sticking out, or it looks like maybe I like smashed the front or something. So just to kind of like clean up the front a little bit, figured I gotta get this stuff on there now just so it looks a lot better. So I'm mainly gonna be working on that today, just trying to button that up. All right, so this is what it looks like now. I do have the top part of the bumper in, but I don't have any of the trim or the grills. So I gotta take these fog lights back out, and I'm gonna start putting the chrome back in, and then I'll put all the grills in. All right, so this is all my pieces, the front pieces, and these are the side trim pieces, and then the grills. So I just gotta clean this up a little bit. It's been sitting in a box for some years now, so I'm gonna clean this stuff up and then put it on. All right, so I'm gonna start hanging the passenger side in here. I got both these lower pieces in, so I'm going to actually take out the fog light here just so I can tighten up this nut in the back here, and I'm also going to remove these lower bolts because this is where the other piece comes down and attaches to. So I'm going to take these out right now. Alright, so now I'm going to fit this piece in here like that. I got this side complete. So I'm gonna go ahead and move to the other side. Alright, passenger side's done. So now all I gotta do is just throw that center grille piece in. Alright, so I got everything in now, and it looks so much better. It doesn't look all goofy like it did before, missing that. Alright, so those little pieces made like a big difference. This thing finally looks like a proper metal bumper Vette now. So I'm glad that's done, so at least it looks a lot better. There's still a bunch of little things I gotta do to the car, but other than that, it does look like it's complete for the most part. So if you enjoyed the video, press like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.